You're someone that's looking to become a DHGATE affiliate, or you are an active DHGATE affiliate, but you're looking to learn how to get free samples, then keep watching this video. This video is going to be different because I'm actually outside and I'm moving and I'm not in my regular setup. So let's do this quick video. Let's say you signed up for the DHGATE affiliate program and you're trying to get your first free sample, but maybe you have figured out how to already submit your first free sample and it's just awaiting confirmation. This video is made to help you guys with any problems you might have with getting samples as a DHGATE affiliate. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So as you guys know, here on my channel I create 100% free courses to help you guys grow as content creators, monetize your platforms, and also grow your bank account. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell so you will never miss one of these videos. So to apply for samples, the first thing you want to do is obviously have your affiliate account set up. Then you want to head over to your dashboard. You're going to see the option on the side of sample products. So I'm going to pull up a really quick screen record just to show you guys exactly what you're going to be looking for and exactly what you're going to do. So in your dashboard, as you guys can see, there is a option for sample products. You're going to choose a sample product. And I always tell you guys, when you're choosing sample products, you want to choose a sample product that has a high commission, but it is a low price. A lot of people do not want to pay a lot of money for DHGATE products. So it's your job to find products that are affordable for people, which is going to make them happy in return and absolutely love your content. So affordable for people, but also a high commission for you. Okay, so when you go ahead and choose your product, a new screen is going to pop up and it's going to ask you for some details in this little blank box here. This is where you are going to put your pitch for that brand, you guys. Okay, so when you guys are pitching to these brands, I do want you guys to keep in mind that you are to be offering them value. So what is your value proposition going to be for this brand? Like, why would they benefit, or why would they want to work with you as an affiliate? So you want to offer them some type of value. You also want to be mentioning your amount of followers. Please keep in mind that you should definitely use the platform that you have the most followers on, because that's literally what they're looking for. They're looking for people who can allow them to reach more people. So if you guys need a pitch and you don't know exactly what to say to these brands, this is where my DHGATE affiliate course is going to come into play, you guys. In this course, I do have a template which you can simply copy and paste and just put in your details to whatever social media platform that you're using, and you can use this to pitch for samples to different vendors. Speaking of vendors, inside of my ebook I also offer you guys free vendors. So these are vendors that I have worked with in the past and they do give free samples. So that's some of the perks of purchasing and joining my DHGATE video course. So as I always tell you guys, when you are pitching for samples, you want to make sure that you are screenshotting the exact product, the exact color, and the size that you are wanting of this product. So let's say I'm applying to a sneaker. So I'm going to screenshot the color of the sneaker, and then I'm going to go ahead and inside of my pitch, I'm going to include the size of the sneaker. That way there is no confusion and I'm not getting a sneaker that I can't fit, which means I wouldn't be able to create that content. Like, you don't want that to happen. So just be very detailed with whatever product you are trying to get as a sample. So after you have applied to your sample, now comes the fun part, which is the waiting game. As you guys can see, a lot of you guys probably have the same problem, which is where your sample is just awaiting to be confirmed, which chances are it will not happen unless it is picked up by a DHGATE manager. And this is another perk of purchasing my DHGATE video course. I give you guys 3 managers, one of which is my manager, Vivian. I absolutely love my manager. The goal for giving you guys 3 different managers is just to make sure that just in case my manager didn't want to work with you guys have 2 other options where you can pitch yourself to and get them to be your manager. So again, that's another perk that comes with purchasing my DHGATE affiliate course. You guys, my course is literally bomb. Like, I love it. It's literally next level. I'm getting tired of holding the camera, so I'm about to plop it on a tripod. Thank you. Okay, so now let's get into the problem that most of you guys are facing. I literally get so many messages about this every day, you guys. So if you are applying for a sample and you're not getting approved, let me tell you guys, chances are you're not getting approved because you are not creating DHGATE content. You're not creating unboxing content. Brands do not want to work with creators or people. You don't even have to be a creator to do this. So brands don't want to work with people who don't have content to show. So it makes sense if you think about it. Like, they're not going to want to work with somebody who does not already create the content that they are looking for. They don't have time to guess if you're actually going to unbox the product or rip them off. No, they want to see if you are creating this type of content already, if you are experienced. So before you even think about pitching for samples, make sure that you have some type of unboxing DHGATE content on your page. This is going to help your samples get approved faster, because these vendors are going to look at your social media profile. Whatever profile you send them, they are going to look at that profile. So you want to make sure that you have DHGATE unboxing content on that profile. Okay, so you can't get free samples. You guys always ask me, what do you suggest to do if I'm not able to get free samples? You guys, you have to purchase the products. A lot of the sneakers are like $30. You can buy 2-3 pairs of sneakers and just create a bunch of different content with those 3 pairs of sneakers. Whether you're doing first the initial unboxing, you can do a detailed video, you can do styling videos, you can pair the shoes with bags that you already have. The whole idea is to build up whatever social media profile you're going to be using as an affiliate. You want to build that up with DHGATE content, and this is going to get you approved for more samples. And before I end this video, I want to tell you guys that most likely TikTok is not going to be on the App Store anymore. TikTok will probably be banned, and I don't want you guys to be stuck in the wilderness without a social media platform to post your DHGATE content on. So make sure after you watch this video, start setting up a YouTube Shorts page, or start setting up a Instagram Reels page where you are taking and downloading or creating new DHGATE content, because you definitely do not want to rely on one platform. Like, I'm posting on Facebook, I'm posting in a Facebook group, I'm posting on Instagram, I'm posting on Pinterest, I'm posting on YouTube Shorts. You guys, I'm literally posting everywhere, and this is how you're able to get a lot of money in commissions. A lot of the times, like for a month or 2, I wasn't even posting DHGATE content because I was working on building up another TikTok profile, because I didn't want to get my page banned. So I stopped posting. I was waiting to grow this other page. You guys, let me tell you guys, I wasn't posting and I was still generating commissions. I kept looking at my link in bio and I'm like, where is this coming from? Where is this coming from? The sales were coming from Instagram, because in my link in bio, you're able to see where your traffic is coming from. So people on Instagram were clicking to look for my DHGATE finds. So you guys, do not limit yourself to one platform, please. I'm telling you guys, this is how you're going to be able to earn the most in commissions. You have to post on multiple platforms. So that is going to complete this video. I get a lot of questions about samples. I swear. You guys, if you want to get samples, you need a manager. You want a manager, you want to cut the waiting time, purchase my DHGATE affiliate course. You get 3 managers as well as other vendors that you can pitch to off of DHGATE. So it's a win-win situation. You're spending money to make money. Sometimes you have to spend money to make money. Make the investment, you guys. So that's going to complete and sum up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just finished literally creating content for DHGATE. I should show you guys the bag I got. Do I want to get out the car? I don't know. Do I? I think I don't want to get out the car. I literally just finished creating content for DHGATE, and I'm like, okay, I'm out here, so I'm just gonna make this video while I'm out here, because I'm making a video about DHGATE and I'm shooting for DHGATE. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys have any other DHGATE questions, put them in the comments. I will be happy to reply back. A lot of you guys are getting my courses, because I'm seeing it in my other YouTube video comments. Like, you guys get your courses, you're starting to get sales, but some of you guys are feeling stuck. You guys continue to post and post on multiple platforms. Do not limit yourself. So that's it for today's video. Happy Friday, you guys. You guys are probably watching this on Saturday. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Happy Saturday. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye, guys.
Much love. Bye.